You know what? One of the things that I used to like on Uthando Nesithemu was the friendship among Wabe noMakhumalo. When I used to think ukuthi they were real friends, yabo. And I was fascinated by a woman who found herself a man and then wahamba wathi mngani woza nawe. I found myself a man. Yes, woza nawe. He is looking for another one. Come. Yabo. Hey. Before I knew what the friendship was fake, I thought it was real. What was my friend? Ay, phakathi asingene. So it's who, yabo, because I thought it was that situation. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. Please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and also to like the video. So listen, you guys, listen. Okay, these two could actually be good friends if they could just be real. Okay, but no. Okay, they don't want to do that. They don't want to do that. So let's talk about this meeting that they had Makhumalo noMaNgcwabe. If it wasn't for Mayeni, these two will never spend time together. If it wasn't for Mayeni giving them something to talk about, these two will never call each other. These two will never go to lunch because they would have nothing to talk about. Nothing at all. Umayeni give them drama, these two, to talk about, okay? What has Mayeni done? Naku mngani waza siye lunchini khona sokhuluma ngoMayeni. And they never talk about their own friendship, okay? Obviously, these two were once upon a time friends, okay, because that's what they told us. We never saw a friendship. I never saw a friendship. Even in season 1, these two were never friends. We never saw it. We were told about the friendship, okay? They said they were friends. We never saw the friendship, okay? But they never talk about what happened with the friendship. We remember there was a gate. You remember the gate? The child was asked to open a gate. The father told the child to open a gate, and then the father was said to abuse the child. What. Then there was a break in the friendship, whatever, And they never really confronted the friendship to say, well, guys, this is what we have, the falling off of a friendship. How do we fix it? Okay. Instead, they will have meetings and talk about the other people. Okay. Now they're going out to lunch and they're saying that they are going out because they've been indoors, they've been taking care of this man that has been sick, and now finally they can go out. Okay, that's what they're saying, that's what they're telling us. They want us to believe. But finally they are out because they've been taking care of, a sick individual. Okay, now they want to go out and have some drinks, okay? And I was like, I hope ukuthi lapayana at the bar they put something lapayana with drink because we want the real. Because these ones, they're not gonna give us the real if they are sober. Right? I hope ukuthi the cocktails that they drank in season 7 when they gave us the delusional. I was like, whatever they put in their drink last year when they said Mayeni is delusional, they must put. Yeah, they must put whatever cocktail they made for them last year when they said Mayeni is delusional. They must pour. They must pour for them. Pour more. Pour for them because we want another word for season 9. Because of course Mayeni is not gonna see it. It's going to answer in season 9. They go. They were looking nice, you guys. They dressed nice and Bella. Have you ever seen somebody dressing up to go and gossip? Have you seen somebody dressing up just to go gossip? Hey, they were looking nice. They're going there. Have you ever seen that? Yeah, of course you've seen them. Have you not seen my colleagues here? Have you seen my colleagues here? How smart they dress just to sit and gossip? You've not seen my colleagues. They'll be sitting down for 2 hours wearing makeup. They'll be doing their hair just to sit and gossip. Hey, I'm telling you, the weaves. Hey, they'll be putting the weaves. Don't say you haven't seen it. Yeah. We'll be dressing up to tea and gossip. Yeah. Even Macele and Mangwa were like, hey, let's dress up. Mangwa was wearing a white shirt there, Kumale. Was it green? I don't know the colors. I mean, I know the main colors: white, black, green, red. If it's greenish but not really green with blue, but not really blue, those other colors, yeah. So the Makumalo's outfit was green. If you say something else, I don't know. So they're very smart to go gossip. I saw they got there, you guys. First, they're like, we can't just go into the gossip. But they wanted to. They wanted to. Because all of us knew what they are there to gossip. But they were like, we have to pretend what we are not there to gossip. We can't just get there and just go into the gossip. We have to pretend that we are there to talk about Muselek. Yeah, now, at least now he's better. The doctor used to send us message, hey, we went to a difficult time. It used to get worse and worse and worse. They were just pretending. And then again, and then you guys, and then they got into the real stuff. Yes, guys, I watched the episode on the night that it played, but I didn't realize how long the conversation was. Because the main sense on that episode 15, was isin kaMayeni nomthombeni, and then isin kaMangobe noMakhumalo. But I didn't actually realize how long it was that uMakhumalo noMangwabe talked about uMayeni. I was like, actually almost the whole conversation was about uMayeni. I was like, Anyway, you guys, I was like, esithenjini. Hayi yaqala ke. And then uMakhumalo uyazenzisa usha ngathi, kahle this episode should have been called, like in Real Housewives, they would name the episode. If I had to name this episode, it would be called Expose Mayeni. And then she's like, hey, and then, hey, tell me, hey, what about unpaid bill? Unpaid bill. What about they tell me about unpaid bill. She's talking about the bill at the hospital. Apparently there was a bill of 100,000 rands. Guys, listen. At the private hospital, when you step your foot, you must hear the money says when you step. When you walk there in the private hospital, it gets ding, 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 ding. The coins, ding, 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 ding. When you go to the look, ding, 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 ding. That's what you hear. I'm telling you guys, I am telling you, if you meet me by the public hospital, greet me, I will greet you back because I have no shame. I've had medical aid. I have had no medical aid. It has been my life. I've had moments, I've had times, I've had years where I've had medical aid and I have not had medical aid. I have it right now, but I know I will have times when I don't have it. If you meet me by the public hospital, I will have no shame, my dear. Because I know by the private hospital, it's ding, 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 ding. You move, it goes cling, 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 the money. Because when he was admitted, they paid the money. A few days later, there's another bill for 100,000. Those people don't play. The people over at the private hospital don't play. They don't play about their coins. But so there was another bill for 100,000. Now, the interesting thing about uMakhumalo noMangwabe and uMayeni noMaCelezette, I've said this before, you guys, even reviewing previous seasons. UmaCele noMayeni, they can be in conflict, they can have tension. Kodwa khona that that understanding, respectanyana ekhona between the two of them. Ukuthi aba exposane, they don't go bottom to the bottom of labo. It disrespects they but they don't go to the bottom, yabo. Because the first time we heard about the bill being paid and split, we heard from uMaCele. Kodwa she was not specific to say who paid and didn't pay. She just said, hey, but we paid as the wives. She ended it there. Now we hear from Makumalo. Makumalo wants to make sure that we hear Uguti, there was 100,000 that was paid. It was paid by her, and there is one wife that didn't pay, and that wife was Mayini that didn't pay. You understand what I mean? Yes. So she said there's a bill that was not paid, so I paid it. Okay. Listen, you guys. I'm not shocked with Makumalo has 100,000. I've been saying that since 2021. That was the first time I did a video on my channel in 2021. The video is still on my channel where I was saying Makumalo is the breadwinner yakamseleko. And people were saying, I am lying. Where does Makumalo get the money? Mseleko is a millionaire. And I was saying Makumalo is the breadwinner yakamseleko. I have been saying it. 5 years later, you guys are saying it. And I'm like, I've been saying it. That's why I'm like, when people say, you don't like Makumalo, I'm like, I've been saying Makumalo is a breadwinner. I did that video in 2021. The year I started a YouTube channel, I did that video. Makumalo is the breadwinner. So uMakhumalo says ukuthi there was a bill of 100,000. So then when she comes to the hospital, she's told about the bill. But then Uma Ngwabe paid her part, and Uma Yeni says that akazingeni. She does not want to. It's like ngihlanganaphi. Where do I meet? Ngihlanganaphi. That's English. Ngihlanganaphi, where do I meet? I don't meet. Ngihlanganaphi, I don't meet. That's English. Ngihlanganaphi, where do I meet? And then umacele pays. I guess uMakhumalo ended up paying 50,000 because Pela Angithi she paid 100,000. This one 25,000. This one 25,000. I guess all the money they got paid from the show ended up going to the hospital because, Mina, my question is one. Why is Makhumalo paying money from her own pocket? Why is that? Pay money from your men's account. Why are you not having? Why don't these women have access to their men's account? That's what I want to know. Where is the family account? Where is Mselego's account? Why don't you pay from that? Where's the business account? Where's the kuningi, And then why and then okay, why are they not being refunded the money? I don't understand it. Kanti where umsele akanamali? Like for real. Like akanayo imali. Nhlobo. Like ngempela. Like they just did this is the 8th season of the show. And then there's the books. There's the properties. There's the lodges. And then there's the land in Mzumbe. Like ngempela akanamali. Niqinisile noma nidlala ngathi. Kodwa ngabona ethathe imoto kaMakhumalo giving it to Lwandle ngathi lo. So futhi umacele told us umacele wathi mina seloko ngafika kaMsele ukuthi thina silaleli, we don't listen thina, we don't listen because umacele tried to tell us umacele wathi I have been kaMseleko for years. I have never seen any money. And Imacele has been there longer than all of them, except Makhumalo was there, Shai Scoop. Maybe Makhumalo was not paying attention because Shai Scoop. But Imacele has been trying to tell us, I have been Kamselego for a long time. I have not seen the money. But we do not believe it. We were like, no. Mseleko is a billionaire. In fact, Mseleko is a billionaire. We've been saying Mseleko is a billionaire. But I want imali. I've been even thinking maybe Mseleko is like Ramaphosa. Maybe the money is in the couch, like the Pala situation. Have you seen the couches there, the house lapus neahlala khona? Ama-couch angathi ahlephezekile yabo. So I was like, maybe the money is in the couches because I don't understand, guys. Iphi imali kaMseleko? Ngiyanizwa vele ukuthi babazi ukuthi uma Khumalo uno-100,000 makho mina leyo nto leyo ngayisho ngo-2021 leyo nto leyo ukuthi uMakhumalo unemali and uMakhumalo unemali more than all of the wives. Ngenza i-video, I think leya video mhlambe you-20 minutes ngikhuluma and I remember in 2020 abantu they used to say your videos are too long, ngoba I was trying to explain to you ukuthi uMakhumalo has money, uMakhumalo is a breadwinner kaMseleku. Nina esikhona sokuthi nilalele ukuthi ngithini. You were busy telling me ukuthi I talk too much on my videos in 2021, you know, and you were busy telling me ukuthi I must insert pictures on my videos when I didn't know how to edit and put videos or put pictures on my videos, and you were not listening to me. I was telling you, Makhumalo has money, and you guys will put pictures on your videos, and I don't know how to put pictures on my videos. I was telling you in 2021. Manje ngiyanizwa you busy saying ukuthi Makhumalo has money. I'm like, I said that long ago. Right now, we are trying to find Mseleko's money. Makhumalo's money, we found it already in 2021 on this channel. Kade ngasho ukuthi mina uMakhumalo has money. Makhumalo is a breadwinner. I think there was a title of the video even back then. Makhumalo is a breadwinner. Ngasho. Now my thing is Moseleku uiphi imali. Yabo, where is the money? Kodwa ngabona guys. When he was doing Umambeso kaMakhumalo, he was the blankets, you know, like when you're buying the blankets for members and you're going to Durban Station, ne? They have level of the blankets. They have 250, they have 300 rand, they have 450, they have 650, they have 900, they have 1,500, depending. So, depending on the quality, and I can swear to you, when he was packing, you remember when Umayeni came to Makhumalo's house to pack for Makhumalo's members, I can swear to you that I saw 250 blankets being put in the van. And I was like, you know. But asiqhubeka. So, but Umayeni wathi angizingeni indaba zokucontribute. I'm not contributing. So contribute. After that, they say Mseleku came out of the hospital. After the situation got worse, and then got worse and worse and worse and worse. I guess he got better, and then he was discharged. So when he got discharged, he was taken to Macele's house. And then when he went to Macele's house, obviously they would go see him there. But Umayeni was at her home. Remember, she had left her house. Umayeni at her home, and then after that, he went to Makhumalo's house, and then they would go see him there. The three of them are taking care of him because Umayeni is not around. So at Makhumalo's house, so Umangwabe would go and see him. Umangwabe is like, hey, I was shocked because this man even remembers me, because this man would say bad things about me. I thought when he wakes up, he won't even remember me. In fact, I feel like Umangwabe was praying for Mseleku to not remember her, but the man woke up and remembered her. I think it's the first time ever in life where I feel like a wife was praying for the husband to not remember her when he wakes up. Mseleku remembered her. And then after that, I think after Makhumalo, he went to Mangwabe. But engazi ukuthi bekune mix up of the days, and then Umayeni started fussing. Why is my daughter at your house when the daughter is supposed to be at my house because it's my days? Because Umayeni has said ukuthi mina ngizingeni ukuthi uyagula ukuthi no number 5 ukuthi nobani, if it's my day, it's my day, and when you're at my house mina anginayo indoda egulayo, mina anginayo indoda exhugayo, mina anginayo indoda blind on the left. Angizingeni. So at mawuza kwami ufithi uyaphila unjani, yabo. So Umayeni ngathi there was a comment that was made that Mseleku is pretending to be sick, just like some of us, because nami bengithi kodwa le ndoda, is he sick ngempela noma, yabo. Umayeni was looking at Mseleku through the eyes of the show viewer. At some point, Umayen was like, hey, lend this lesi. For all we know, akuna stroke la. For all we know, he went and spoke to the doctors and he was like, right stroke there, doctor. Hey, I'm tired of these wives. So there was something like that. But let me tell you something about how messy Makhumalo and Mangwabe are. So at some point, Umselegu sends a message to uMakhumalo ehleba ngomayeni. He sends a message to uMakhumalo ukuthi yay kuyashisa la kamayeni. Yabo. I wish that I could get admitted the way engahleli ngayo ngakhona. uMakhumalo takes that message and forwards it to Mangwabe. Yabo. Lento ehlezi ishiwo Mangwabe ukuthi wena Mselegu, you are the one oxabanisa amakhosikazi ngoba uthutha izindaba zikankosikazi. If he forwards the message to uMakhumalo forwards it to uMangwabe. Kuhlekwa leyo nto ke manje ukuthi hey, he was saying he wishes he can be admitted. Kusho ukuthi kuyashisa kamayeni. He is complaining about mayeni to uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo forwards the message to uMangwabe. Ngithi mina bahlekani ngoba nabo I'm sure nabo he does the same to them. Indaba zabo nabo uyayifaka ngala nangala futhi baphinde bashone. Amadoda guys. Amadoda. Anyway, you guys. Hayi ke bahleba kwabamnandi ke bazwana ogeli bezwana ngani bazwana ngumayeni. Now ke guys, uMakhumalo ke decides to tell uMangwabe. Angithi Umselegu didn't tell uMangwabe ukuthi emcimbini they are going to be introducing number 5. Yes. But ke she decides uMakhumalo to tell uMangwabe ukuthi there's going to be an introduction ka number 5. Mangwabe decides ukuthi yo ayike kusho ukuthi angilapha. Wamhlohla ke guys. Wamhlohla wathi no, let's go. Afuna siye. Hey, ngithi mina yazi ngithi mina yabona this season. Hey. uMakhumalo is exposing herself because uhlohla uMangwabe and she knows ukuthi uMangwabe is like Nzotin. Umangabe cannot pretend. So Umangabe, if she goes there and something imcasula at the event, she's going to react. And Umakhumalo uyakwazi pretend. So the person that will end up looking bad at the event, should anything happen, is Umangwabe. And if you are a real friend to Umangwabe, and Umangwabe says, listen, I don't want to go because then I don't want to go there and then end up fighting or end up saying something I will regret. As a friend, you should say, no, my friend, I know you. And you're probably going to say something you will regret. Don't go. I'll go. But if you are a fake friend, you are going to say, Asam, because you know this one is going to be the one that will end up saying the thing that now you're not going to say because now you can pretend. That's how fake their friendship is. It's like, no, Asam. Because you know when you're going to sit there like an innocent one, and this one is not going to be able to hold herself back, and then when you look like a nice makot, and then Mangwabe would look like a bad wife that she always looks like. That's how fake that friendship is. I'm like, ay asambe naye uMangwabe wafumba ukuthi bazohamba. Esenjini guys, esenjini. Sesibona ke not next week. Tomorrow sizobona. We introduce number 5. Please guys, I pray, I beg number 5 doesn't wear pink dress. Please number 5, no pink dresses. Please ugqoke isishweshwe too. Please I beg someone give number 5 isishweshwe for tomorrow's event. Please. uvela buke ngathi ingane kakhulu ke manje mase vele gqoka no, please not another pink dress, hey gqoka isishweshwe or something, please. Anyway you guys, there was an episode ke konke ngikhohliwe. Ayikho mangikhumbula litwana David baba yini ke sohlangana in the comment section.